Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and as a homeschooling mom, I'm always looking for fun and creative ways for my kids to learn, especially when it comes to STEM projects. I was excited to find a 3D pen suitable for kids and as easy to use as 1, 2, 3D. Mom jokes. This pen is lightweight and comfortable to hold for both adults and children, and it works with just the click of a button to start and stop. The best part is that the pen and plastic filaments never get hot to the touch, so no burns. The 3Doodler Start Plus package comes with everything you need to get started and get creative. There's a charging cable, more than 70 filaments, and an easy to follow instruction book. My kids opened it up and started using it on their own while I was taking a nap. I also love that the instruction book comes with templates for projects. This 3Doodler set has been fun to use for the entire family. I love that my kids are learning how to turn 2D concepts into 3D creations with the click of a pen, and that's my point of view.